A DIN rail kit to install modular devices or terminals is fixed directly on the front profiles. DIN rail kit can be also combined with segregation panels. Each of the 4 holes can be used for fixation. Each slit marks 10 centimeters, skip 2 holes, and check with the small holes that you are in the center of the 200 mm module. In case of H150 kit, keep a 25 mm distance to the kit above. If required, a partition can be easily installed. Especially useful in sections with main incoming device, to separate against the copper bars. It can also be installed in an outgoing cabinet. DIN rails installed in the cell with outgoing circuits can have 150 or 200 mm rows distance. There's a cover for terminals and for modular devices.